Oh my gosh, he is head peeking for all of my subscribers. I just got hit with the bomb. Use just a tool. Oh my gosh! I could have killed you. Game is buns. This is all my fault. I should not be doing this bad. Cut that head peeking out.
Round starting.
Oh yeah, I'm too tough for you.
Round starting.
Oh, where's he at? I'm scared. I'm low. I don't know how he just hit me there. Dang it, I don't know how he hit me. Using pistol.
Round starting.
Oh, I hit him. He's cooked.
Round starting.
Ah! Oh, I killed him. Let's go. I won. Oh yeah, GG's. Have a great day.